63.
63.
63.
Poser des questions 2.
Asking questions 2.
Asking questions 2.
J'ai un hobby.
I have a hobby.
I have a hobby.
Je joue au tennis.
I play tennis.
I play tennis.
Où est le terrain de tennis?
Where is the tennis court?
Where is the tennis court?
As-tu un hobby préféré?
Do you have a hobby?
Do you have a hobby?
Je joue au foot.
I play football.
I play football.
Où est le terrain de foot?
Where is the football field?
Where is the football field?
Mon bras me fait mal.
My arm hurts.
My arm hurts.
Mon pied et ma main me font également mal.
My foot and hand also hurt.
My foot and hand also hurt.
Y a-t-il un médecin?
Is there a doctor?
Is there a doctor?
J'ai une voiture.
I have a car.
I have a car.
J'ai aussi une moto.
I also have a motorcycle.
I also have a motorcycle.
Où est le parking?
Where could I park?
Where could I park?
J'ai un pull.
I have a sweater.
I have a sweater.
J'ai aussi une veste et un jean.
I also have a jacket and a pair of jeans.
I also have a jacket and a pair of jeans.
Où est la machine à laver?
Where is the washing machine?
Where is the washing machine?
J'ai une assiette.
I have a plate.
I have a plate.
J'ai un couteau, une fourchette et une cuillère.
I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon.
I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon.
Où sont le sel et le poivre?
Where is the salt and pepper?
Where is the salt and pepper?